In a remote valley, a seasoned guide leads travelers to a village where clay ovens listen to the river and steam lift stories. They learn millet dumplings steamed in reed baskets, a craft handed down by river traders along ancient mountain routes. Charcoal flames flicker as dough mirrors the landscape, chewy yet tender, while pine smoke perfumes a barley broth. Elders share harvest prayers, weaving history and ritual into every deliberate bite. As dusk settles, the river fills with laughter and a promise to preserve these flavors for generations.